Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this camera, and we're going to do the unboxing of it. This camera over here. This is a Viziuuy. Model number is VZ-3B1. So this is an all-in-one powerful camera, and it's a solar. So basically, we're just going to do the unboxing, and we go over the features of this camera itself, and then after that I'm gonna do the installations and talk to you and review with you about the features, the audios, everything that it has with this camera, right? So let's get started. So as you can see, this camera is a little bit different from the prior camera. This is all-in-one, the solar panel, everything. It's in this form right here, which is really nice and neat. You don't see a lot of wiring, right? And this one has a 2K resolutions and forever power, solar style. So basically, you install it and you forget it. The best part is wire-free and hassle-free, right? All-in-one, powerful on its own, 2K, right? This is the other side. So this is, you can see here the model number VZ-3B, and it uses the DC 5V and 1 amp power adapter to charging the camera before installation. Charger's not included. So that one you can use the DC as well, but this one it will generate the power through the solar, which is nice. And what's included in this is you see the camera itself, screws, stickers, warning stickers, user manuals, and the Type-C charging cable. And this is made in China, as you can see right here. And on this side over here, you can see, enjoy anytime access with your Cloud Edge app. So, and this one camera has two-way audio, family sharing, so you can allow your family to use it as well, and to view it through their phones. Color night vision, which is really nice. And advanced AI human detection, beautiful. And you can set your own customized activity zone. So basically, the zone or the area that you want to record. So that way it doesn't record any movement with the leaves moving or the sidewalk. And this one works with Alexa and as well as Google Assistant, which is really nice. All right, so we hit you, and here it has a toll-free number for the US and available after 5 p.m. at Pacific time, and they have the support email address there, and also they have the YouTube channel as well too, and you can reach them from there. Right, but let's go ahead and unbox it and see. The form factor for this one, it's really pretty small and all-in-one, which I really like. The sticker, so this kind of sticker is really helpful because, you know, for innocent people, when they see this, you know, yeah, they have a second thought about it. But for bad people, even this sticker will not stop them, right? Needless to say, and this is the quick guide right here. You guys can go through it. I'll walk you guys later on with the setup, but it looks like it's well packaged here. This is the camera itself. On top, it has a solar panel that's already built in. So, and the base, look at the base as well too. The design, it just, basically, you line up with the 4 screws here, and then you're good to go. Oh, excuse me. And this is the front of the camera. And on the back, it has the serial code number, and then the Viziuuy, and then it has a USB Type-C port, and then you can put in your micro USB card. And right to the right of it, there's a power button. And then on to the left, you got the reset button, right? So for companies out there that are still providing us with the options of the micro SD card, which is great, you know, that give us the choice of not having to subscribe to their monthly subscriptions, because nowadays any company, or 99.9% of the companies out there, all they want is just for customer to subscribe monthly so that they get the monthly revenue. So this you could subscribe that, or you can use your micro SD card, right? So which is neat. I really like that. So they're still thinking about the choices from our point of view perspective. All right, so let's take a look at this one. This it's a template for us to help us how to for the 4 screws anchors right there. And then inside we get the so you do if you only use this anchor here, the little thing here, if you go through a drywall or stuff like that. But for me, I'll just install it straight onto wood. So just pretty much just if I want, I can do the pre-drilled, or I could use an impact gun and then just screw it straight in. And last but not least, we got the USB Type-C cable. So with this thing right here, since we're not using an adapter, so we don't need this cable, but it's good to have that included. So right now, let's go with start with the installation. All right, so set it up. You're gonna have to hit the power button, and then you're gonna hit the reset button. Just hold it for a couple seconds. Right. And once you do that, you're gonna go to the app, and then you're gonna hit add a camera, add a device, right? So this is searching for nearby. Oh, this is even easier. It actually detects it, right? And now just put the Wi-Fi network in here. Right, so once you confirm the Wi-Fi network, it's gonna take about less than 2 minutes for it to register the device and stuff like that. You can see. Jesus Christ, that was, oh my goodness, by far the fastest setup I've ever had with any camera. This thing is awesome. Jesus, wow. All right, so let's see. Done. All right, so you just go through this.
Camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
Yeah, it's gonna ask me that. Okay, it's right now. It's just checking for the for the network strength, and as you can see, super strong, because I'm in my house, but I'm gonna put this outside, and it's already detecting. Is it upside down? There we go. So it's installed like that, right? So it's already recording. You see that? That's awesome. My goodness, this is so easy. Okay, so, and it actually detects the motions that we talked about right away. You get the alert immediately, guys. So you're not gonna be missing out anything. So let's go outside and put this at the locations where we most want it. Okay, so the next step is for us to mount the camera at a location where you think is best for you. So to my right, I got the wide flat camera, and I wanted to somehow record this way. So because I already have 2 cameras by the driveway. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. All right, so walk you guys through. I got 2 cameras over there. You can see, there we go, right? One's facing outward and one's facing in. And I got this one right here. So any movement, as soon as the carrier that walks into my house, deliver packages, or anybody that comes into my driveway, I will get a notification. So this way you're not gonna miss anything at all, or any even unwanted guests, right? Because I do have people that coming in, like asking me like salespeople if I want to upgrade this, the windows, the energy, all kind of stuff. So that's why the next step is to put a camera somewhere up here. So that way, when they come in, I get all kinds. I don't know if you can hear it, but I have a ring camera as well, too. So I get all kind of notifications. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install it right here. So what I did is I loosened the base from the camera, and then now I just put this on there, and I'm just screw it in like that. That way you make it easy. And then once it's securely anchored, and then I'll bring back the camera and install it. So as you can see, it's really easy to put it in. Now we just put this, screw it in. Right, so I don't know. It's kind of, now we just have to see it's up and running, and now we're gonna see through the app and to see if that's really what we want. So I'm gonna let you see it. Okay, so ignore. So that's how it looks like. You can see it sees. I want to make sure that the way that I face it, so it can detect the people at the front door, and as soon as they walk in through the truck, and then you see. You can hear my dogs barking in the background. Right now, the camera is facing exactly where the sun is coming up. So I just turn off the sound so that way it doesn't hear the echo. See, really nice. You can take images as well too. As a matter of fact, I just snapped an image. So right now it's actually recording live, as you can see. And if I want to snap an image, I just click on the little picture icon and it takes an image. So the picture is really nice, really clear. And then if I want to record this, I can do that as well, right? You just hit the record button and now it's recording. And you have the audio right here. You can hear a little bit of the echo, right? And the microphone's here. Hello? Can you hear me? Can you leave the package right by my my silver Corolla, please? See, so you can do the two-ways audio. So you can. I'm gonna turn off this one so that way it doesn't hear the echo, which is really nice. All right, guys. So, oh my God, this camera is it's blowing up my mind. The installation process, less than 2 minutes. The setup was less than 2 minutes. The installation was 4 screws. To me, I think 2 screws would be more than enough if you anchored into the wood like the way how I do it. But look at that. It's so simple. For me, you see that? So right now the sun is coming up this way, so it's a perfect angle for my camera as well too. Because you can see, because this camera needs quite a bit of sunlight to hit onto the solar panel to recharge the battery inside of this camera, because it's an all-in-one camera. All the wiring, all the batteries are internally here, and it just needs some kind of sunlight to power it. And that is it. Look at this, how nice and clean it is. My God, you get instant notification, you get 2-way audio, you have clear pictures. What else do you want? This is so beautiful. So, see, can you hear my Ring camera letting me know that, or not me, but general, but anybody that comes by, they'll notify, you know, they let them know that, hey, you know what? You're on video, you've been recorded. So, and people will act, you know, differently if they know they've been recorded. But it's recording right now. You can see the blue lights on there. Oh my God. So,
and if I
really
want
nice.
to
Very
record
happy.
it, I can do that as well. Right? Just hit the record button.
All right, guys. So, once again, if you're in the market for a camera and solar security camera, you don't know which one to pick from, this one is very affordable as well too. And this camera is sent over by Viziuuy, and they want me to do the unbox and the review, and I'm very happy with it. And so far I've done like numerous cameras review, and this is by far the easiest, the fastest, the simplest, and I don't know, I love this. So you can see it's 4 screws, and it's up and running in less than 5 minutes. Guys, check that out. And you have the micro SD card in there. You can review all of the history. You get instant notification. You get 2-way audio. You get clear pictures. All the solar cameras should be easy like this, you know. It detects with the setup. You can see that I was in my house, I went in my kitchen, and it detects the network. It detects the Wi-Fi username, the password, and everything. The setup was so seamlessly smooth. By far, all the companies should copy this company. All right, so they're not paying me to say this, okay? Because I review cameras, and I tell you how I think about the camera, and you can see the setup for your own self, right? It's really fast and easy and up and running, and you look and see how nice that is, right? Once again, guys, thank you for watching. That is it for this video. If you I'll list the link of the camera in the description through the Amazon link, and if you are to buy through the link, I do get a little bit of commission off of there, and that way it can help with the channel. And if you like the video, feel free to give it a like. It's free to you guys. And if you love the content about this, feel free to subscribe, because I'm making a lot of like DIY review, unbox stuff like this. And also I do like promotional sales too. So if you like saving like myself, subscribe, because I do a lot of that as well too. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.